it's here in Scary. Welcome back to another video. We're back playing some more powder game. Last time we made this moon-based thing. I got really frustrated because of we discovered. I'll forget about that. We discovered the bird thing, which we can get incredible heights, defy gravity, and all that. So we're just gonna have fun with that today. And we're probably going to discover new stuff as well. So I'm just going to say let's jump right into it. By the way, we're playing powder game. Subscribe. Hashtag Nüggets. And hashtag Team Orange. That's right, new hashtag. Nüggets. Not Nuggets. Nüggets. The U has the 2 dots on the top. It's like Scandinavian accent thing. I don't know. And hashtag Team Orange. It's always going to be there. Hashtag team sunflower, and also what else? Oh yeah, nugget, not nougat, like nugget. So let's just go in this. Let's do this. Poutre Elo. Is it la poutre or le poutre? No, whatever. Jouer. D'oiseau. And fire, just in case. So look at this. Look at him defy gravity. Are you ready? Look at that. Whoosh. It's like slow-mo changing. Like you would see in films, they're going fast and it's like slow-mo. You know what I mean? Like they would be like running. Okay, and then like this part is like normal and then or something. So I thought we're gonna have fun today. And I am a little bit sick. My throat kind of hurts. So yeah. What to do? By the way, I heard there's a powder game too. I might get that. But let's see. So, what if we, since we're a bird, how about this? We're not going to see glass. Yeah, I put glass there. Look at that. We flew. Do you see this? Look. We're climbing this. Ha! Now, let me just reset. Okay. We're going to try to get the highest jump possible. Or, we're going to, jump like off of something and slow-mo it. Or I'm not gonna call it slow-mo it, I'm gonna call it defy. I don't know what I'm gonna call it. Are you ready? No. A stop. Oh yeah. Oh, I hit the rim. That's no fun. Boing. Okay, yeah, I am a bird. I can fly. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna take this part out because I got caught in the rim. Rim? Did I say rim last time? Okay, now I feel like we don't have to do this whole big jump thing. Like, not the big jump, but like this whole like thing. We have to like go up. Yeah, we do not have to do this. So, alright. We're just gonna start at the top here. Actually, the higher the better. So what if we Yeah, because if we do it more, we're going to, like, get our head stuck. that was slow down, but it was like probably because like so fast. That was going to be so fast. Yeah. It's going to be so fast that the slow-mo didn't really look like slow-mo. Boing. Okay, now that's slow-mo. That is good. That's the good stuff. I'm actually going to make this shorter. Okay. Okay, now I'm wondering what else we could do. Like extreme parkour. Or we can do like make a dramatic scene. I'm gonna do parkour. This is simple, but it's something. I say simple, but then I'm probably gonna like fail. Okay, are you ready? Yeah, see? It's hard because like this, it's not straight. You gotta take this out and like fill it with something smooth. Okay, I tried. Yeah, see, you can't do this. Yeah, no. I just suck. I do not know how to design. But hey, just watching them like dramatically fall off is very cool. I say dramatically falling off, but the size of this dude is so small. Like, come on, that was like a big drop. Look at that. Alright, so what we're going to do now is we're going to try like a one leap thing. Okay, that might be too extreme. Do you know what I mean? Like, the only platform where like you can land on is this. That's it. And then it goes like higher from here. There's not a lot of distance, but it's hard. That is a hard one. And that's kind of easy. Okay. Yes. I'm gonna fill this with acid just for decor, I guess. And fill the bottom with lava. So if we die, we don't just get stuck there randomly. Like the lava levels in each one are like going to be different. I feel like that's gonna look cool as well. Yeah. Do some decoring here. And this is gonna have to like fill all the way to the top. Yep. And this one. Yep. And now this one can like go up to here. Okay, yep, that's good. I like this. I like this a lot. Let's do this. So, Mr. Birdman. I'm gonna call him Birdman. Okay. I just realized how hard to land on these are. Wow. I'm being so unfair to myself. Oh, I have dead. You know what? Okay. To make things a little more fair, we're gonna have a point. Like, spawn point. Like a checkpoint. We're gonna have one of 3. That's a horrible 3. Can't believe I'm retrying 3s. I'm not a 3. A 3, 5. That looks like a fat S, but whatever. And we're not gonna do 7. We're gonna do. I'm gonna do one here. 8. You can't even tell if that's an 8 or not. But you see my creativeness here? That is called Creative 100. I bet you none of you guys thought of this. Alright, let's do this. Oh my god, I went to like the 4th one. We have a backup. But our backup is dying. Okay. And then boing. Oh, no. Ah! Wow, they both die. Why? I am done. We're going to do it like this, because you're not trying to go to the back. What just happened there? I like spazzed out. Hey, I count that as a win, and I got to, I went from 3 to 1. I am so counting that, because that was also epic as well. Yee. Now, since we did the other one, we can just block that. Because we're not going back. Why would you go back? Unless you just want to have fun. They like a flip. Oh! Hey, I got it! Yes. Eee! But I got that. So we're going to extendy bendy. You know what? I am going to go back just because that is fun. Okay, yeah, never mind. Let's just keep it up. So close, so close. Come on. Yee. Nice! But I'm not at checkpoint yet. I did it! Whee! I feel like we can up this a notch. We have time. You know what? I'll be back. Okay, welcome back. Now, as you can see, we only have 2 checkpoints, 4 and 7. After 7, that's it. And 7 to 8, that's bigger jump. And let's do this. So I'm just gonna do this, no problem. Okay, buddy. Does that count? No. Bam. And back up here. Whee! 8. Ah! Hey, look, I won. Okay, yeah. So I feel like you can't straight jump to 4 on this one. You know what? Let me just do this. Beep. Boop. Yeah. Or maybe you can. No, you cannot. Did I just walk over lava? Dude. Come on. Okay. Okay, this might be harder than I thought it was going to be, and I count that. Nice. Don't die. Okay, yeah, but we made it to 4. Yay. No. Okay. Hey, we got this checkpoint. See, I say we're just gonna die. You know what? Let me die again. Actually, I thought I might have that, but there we go. Extend that platform. Okay, this is good. If I die now, I restart to 7. Which is not that fun. You know what? Let's extend the block. You know, just because. Like, what's gonna happen? Oof. Does that count? Okay, my head was bouncing. You know what? That does count, but since it's not a checkpoint, it's nothing. Oh, no! No! Bro! Yo. Birdman. Legend. Legend. Did you just see? Okay. Oh my god. Ah! Again! Skipped it, homie. Hucha. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. This is fun. Have a great day. Like and subscribe video and yeah, I guess goodbye.